Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous topic, transformation. In last class I taught you up to second part of transformation, and today I am going to start the third part of transformation topic, and today I will discuss the next way of transformation. Okay, so this one is what? By interchanging degree of adjective. You know very well, degree like adjective has 3 degree. The first one is what? Positive degree. Second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. For example, good, better, best. Small, smaller, smallest. Great, greater, greatest. Big, bigger, biggest. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. So in this way we can see so many examples and so many example of degree of adjective. So here I have taken one example. No other pen is as good as Parker. That means it is what? Positive degree. The first degree of any adjective, okay, is known as what? Positive degree. So no other pen is as good as Parker. It means what? We have to make a change here. What we will make a change? We will convert it in another degree. How? We'll understand here. No other pen is as good as Parker. So we can write here Parker. Parker is better than any other. Okay, here Parker. We want to highlight here the Parker. So no other pen is as good as Parker. So we have to make here what? Comparative degree. You know very well what is the comparative. What is the comparative degree of good adjective? The comparative degree of good adjective is what? Better. That is why I will write here Parker is better than any other pen. Alright? Your concept will be more clear when I will give you another example. Alright, so this is what? Comparative degree. And now we can also say that Parker is the best pen. How we can say? Because this was positive degree, this is comparative degree, and now I am going to give you what? Example of superlative degree. The sentence is same, but only I am changing here the degree of adjective. So we can write here also Parker is the best pen. Alright, come to the another example. No other bookshop is as good as Pustak Mahal. Here also I have given you example of positive degree, and then we will learn how to make it comparative degree. So we can write here what? At first we will try to find out the adjective. What is adjective here? So here adjective is what? Good. So what will be the comparative degree of adjective good? Better. So we will start writing from here. Pustak Mahal. Pustak Mahal is better. Is better than any other shop, any other bookshop. Okay, so Pustak Mahal is better than any other bookshop. We can say, and if we want to change this sentence into superlative degree, this is what? Because I have used here what? Better. So better is reflecting here what? Comparative degree. Now the sentence is converted into what? Comparative degree. Alright, Pustak Mahal is better than any other book shop. Now here, let me tell you how we can convert this sentence into superlative degree. So at first tell me what is the superlative degree of positive degree good or adjective good. So you know very well good, better, best. So best is the superlative degree. So we can write also what? Pustak Mahal is the best bookshop. We can write here Pustak Mahal is the best bookshop. In this way you can see here so many examples I have given. Let me tell you how we can change. Similarly, I have taken another example also. This is example number 3. So it is what? No other city in India is so big as Mumbai. This is also given in what? Positive degree. It is given in positive degree, and we have to change this into what? Comparative degree. So at first, the first step what we have to take is here to find out the adjective. What is given adjective in this sentence? So where is the adjective? Big. Big is what? Adjective, and it is what? Positive degree. In order to change it in comparative degree, we have to use the comparative degree of this adjective. So what is the comparative degree of this big? Is what? Bigger. So we can write here Mumbai. Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. Alright. Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. This is example of what? Comparative degree. We can also write, we can convert this sentence also in superlative degree. How we can convert? We can write here, because we have to show here superlative degree. Again we will find out the adjective over here. So what was the adjective? In the first sentence, it was what? Big. Here I have used what? Comparative degree. And in last I have used what? The superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree of adjective big? So it is what? Biggest. Alright. So what we will write here? Mumbai is bigger than any, here it is written, Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. We can write Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Alright. So this is what I have used a superlative degree of adjective big. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. There is no any other city is as bigger as Mumbai. So you can understand here with only example of any one sentence, we can transform sentence into comparative degree and as well as into superlative degree. Now see the another example. No other building is as beautiful as the Taj. So this is also given example in what? Positive degree. Now we have to change it what? In comparative degree. In order to change this sentence into comparative degree, at first we will write here the Taj. The Taj is, at first I told you we need to find out the adjective. So what is the adjective here? Beautiful. So beautiful is what? Positive degree. And what is the comparative degree of beautiful? The comparative degree of beautiful is more beautiful. And what is the superlative degree? Superlative degree is what? Most beautiful. So, because we are using here what comparative degree, so we will write here the Taj is more beautiful. The Taj is more beautiful than any other building. Alright? The Taj is more beautiful than any other building. So this is what comparative degree. Now we have to change it in superlative degree. What will be the superlative degree? We can write here, there is no space at the bottom, so I will write little above here. So what will be the superlative degree? The Taj is the most beautiful. You know, before superlative degree we use article the. So we will write here what? The Taj is the most beautiful. Most beautiful building. Alright. In this way you can understand how we can make comparative degree and how we can transform the sentence into superlative degree. Now I am going to give you some more examples how we can change from positive to, from a positive degree to comparative degree. I am going to give you some more examples. You can see here, Ram is as good as Shyam. What we can write here? This is given in what positive degree, as what is given. Ram is as good as Shyam. That means both have same quality. Okay? What we can write it? If you want to change this sentence into comparative degree, I will teach you in next class. Thank you very much.